So my wife and I started to deal with this cancer ordeal. This would have been what, 4 years ago now?
2017.
So in 2017,
September.
yeah, on September 9th, my birthday of all days, she was diagnosed with cancer, and we began to search for solutions. And everywhere we went, like it was really problematic. The doctors that we spoke to were very rigid. They said lumpectomy, radiation, chemo. It was just like, this was it. No matter who we spoke with, it didn't matter what kind of cancer it was, that's what they were going to do, period. And we just had a lot of resistance. We had, when we had questions, we had doctors actually roll their eyes at us like we were stupid for asking the questions that we had done research for. And so we kept looking, and because we weren't happy with what we had found in the conventional medical space. We traveled to Tijuana and we looked at a clinic there, and we called a bunch of different clinics around the United States. And then we found out that there was one here in Irvine, which is not too far from where we live. We live in San Diego. So we came down here and we took a tour of the facility, and we got to know the doctors and we got to know some of the patients that were here, and we were absolutely blown away. So there's a level of humanity here, I don't really know how to say it, that we've never experienced at any other hospital. And immediately we felt comfortable, immediately talking to the other patients, some of them who were doing really, really badly, and some of them who were doing really well. We got a lot of insight into how this place worked, and we started coming on a regular basis. At one point, I think we were coming once a week. Was it once a week? And then
2 times.
And then 2 times, and then we transitioned into her treatment, and then the times that we came kind of got spread out a little bit more and more, and we started seeing results. And after seeing the results, we continued with different therapies that they had available for us. Some we tried that didn't yield any results at all. Some we tried that yielded really good results. And then now it's been 4 years. And how long ago was it, sweetie? About how many months ago was it when we did it was about 6 months ago. She had a final cryoablation done, and all the tests look good, and her progress has been really good. So now we only come here once a year, or we're scheduled to come here once a year. So her progress has been really fantastic. Like, it's been amazing, because every other doctor that we spoke to was really negative about doing anything except for a knife, radiation, and chemotherapy. And we had such a difficult time understanding, like, why is that the solution for every kind of cancer? So what they had Annie do was transition almost everything about her, about the way she lived, basically. There was a lot of diet change, a lot of rest change, a lot of change about how she dealt with stress. And to be honest, looking at her from the outside, the person that she came in as 4 years ago and the person that she is today is completely different, and it's all for the better. She's got more energy. She's full of smiles. Like, she deals with stress so much better now. The lifestyle changes, as well as the protocols that they had her on, in my opinion, best things that could possibly happen. And of course, it was something that brought us closer together as a couple. We've been together for 20 years, so you know, we're pretty comfortable with each other. But definitely as a person, the whole ordeal has done nothing but make her stronger. So as far as I'm concerned, this place absolutely rocks.